We will learn how we can use and interpret data.
Step 1.
At the Olympics, every time a person or team throws, runs, jumps, or scores, some kind of data is being taken. Here we see runners racing to record a time and throwers getting 3 chances to throw the farthest measured distance.
Step 2.
The next step is to organize the data. So in order to do that, we create a chart or a table. Here's an example of a table for a race of 5 runners running a 100-meter dash. To create a chart, you need to put labels of what each column stands for. For this, I have the place, the runner's name, and the time they ran in seconds. Then I go down the column with first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the name that corresponds with what place, and what time they ran. This is one way to easily create a table. This is a second example of a table. The difference between the 2 tables I've shown you is that this one does not have place and it has room for 3 trials. In the 100-meter dash, they only ran that once, so there's only 1 time that goes with each name. For the throwers, they have 3 tries, so they have a different trial in a different column. So I'm able to look up person B, let's say, and know how they did first trial, second trial, and third trial.
Step 3.
The third step in this process is to create a graph.
This is an example of a graph using data from the shot putter's table. The horizontal line is the x-axis, which is the trial number 1 through 3. The vertical line is the y-axis, which stands for the distance in meters the throwers threw from 45 to 50.2 meters. Each competitor has a different colored dot, and a key says which color corresponds to each thrower. The dots are then placed based on how far each person threw for each trial.
Step 4.
You can connect the dots based on color. That way you can see the trends, like going from trial 1 to 2, trial 2 to 3. You can easily see that competitor C threw the farthest the first time, and the last time dropped significantly from the first throw. What other competitors had changes? Did anyone stay the same within this graph? Who threw the farthest on the first throw? Who threw the farthest on the second throw? And who threw the farthest on the third throw?